Student, we go to the next problem. Regarding the range of projectile, we are going to learn. For what angle of projection the range is maximum? This is the question. We know the range R is equal to u square sin 2 theta by g. For maximum range, sin 2 theta must be maximum. Sin 2 theta must be maximum. Maximum is plus 1. Therefore, 2 theta is equal to 90, pi by 2. Theta is equal to pi by 4. For the angle of projection 45 degree, the range is maximum. If so, what is the maximum range? Maximum range is equal to u square sin 2 theta, that is equal to 1 by g, that is equal to u square by g. This is the maximum range of a projectile which is projected with a velocity u. Next question. There are two angle of projections for which the ranges are equal. Suppose you are projecting at an angle theta, another one at an angle 90 minus theta. For these two angles of projection, the ranges are equal. We are going to show that. So, the second angle is 90 minus theta. For first angle theta, the range is u square sin 2 theta by g. For the second angle of projection, u square sin 2 into 90 minus theta by g, that is equal to u square sin of 180 minus 2 theta by g. Sin 180 minus 2 theta is sin 2 theta, that is equal to u square sin 2 theta by g. If we see R1 and R2 both are equal, therefore R1 is equal to R2, we proved. For an angle of projection theta and 90 minus theta, the ranges are equal. We have proved. Okay, student, we go to the next problem, number 8. Similarly, for an angle 45 minus theta and 45 plus theta, the ranges are equal. We have to show that. Okay, let us take R1. R1 is equal to u square sin 2 into angle of projection. That angle of projection is 45 minus theta by g, that is equal to u square sin 2 into 45 sin 90 minus 2 into theta, 2 theta by g. Sin 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta, here sin 90 minus 2 theta, that is sin 2 theta by g, r1. And let us calculate r2, u square sin 2 into angle of projection 45 plus theta by g, that is u square sin 90 plus 2 theta. Again sin 90 plus 2 theta is sin 2 theta. Therefore, R1 is equal to R2, we have proved. Student, we pass on to the next problem. Question number 9. What happens to range of a projectile if theta is increased from 0 to 90 degree? We are increasing the angle of projection 0 to 90 degree. If you project at an angle theta is equal to 0, the range will be 0, because r is equal to u square sin 0 by g. On the ground you are projecting, so range is 0. If you go on increases from 0 to 45 degree, the range will increases. If theta is here 0 to 45 degree, if you increases, the range slowly increases and become maximum at 45 degree. Let us see that. This is the range for an angle just greater than 0. If you go on increases, this is for 45 degree angle, that is u square by g. Next, if you increase beyond 45 degree, then the range go on decreases like this. At particular angle, at an angle 90 degree, it reaches, it moves in the vertically upward direction and reaches the same point. So the range go on decreases. So for an angle 45 degree, range is maximum. Less than 45 degree and greater than 45 degree, the ranges are less than the maximum. So what happens if theta increases from 0 to 45, range increases. For this case, R increases. And what happens if theta is increased from 45 degree to 90 degree? For this case, range decreases from maximum. For first case 0 to maximum, second case maximum to 0. This way it changes. Look at in the first case, when you increase theta from 0 to 45 degree, range increases, maximum height increases. 45 to 90 degree, range decreases, maximum height increases. As you go on increases the theta value, maximum height go on increases and become maximum of maximum at an angle 90 degree. On increasing the theta value from 0 to 90 degree, the maximum height go on increases and become maximum at 90 degree, but range increases from 0 to certain maximum at an angle 45 degree, and then range decreases from 45 degree to 90 degree. This is very important concept. Based upon this concept, we learn one problem. Problem number 10. Suppose you are given angle of projection (20°), 35°, 40°, 55°, 60, 75. For what angle of projection the range is maximum asked. Student, for given velocity maximum range is at an angle 45°. But in this question you are asked to identify among these ranges which one is maximum. We know at an angle theta is equal to 45°, range is maximum. Okay. After 45°, range decreases. Below the 45° also less than the maximum value, maximum range. Therefore, which angle is very close to 45, that will be closer to the maximum value. Look at 35. From 45 it is 10° away. 40 it is closer to 45. Okay, 55 10° away. Therefore, this 55 and 35 will have same ranges but not maximum. So, this 40 is closer to 45, no other angle is closer to 45, 55 or 60, 75 far away from 45. So, for this given angle 40 is having maximum range. So, your answer 40°.